Hi, so today I want to make a video entitled Rolling the Ball with Both Palms. So this is a wonderful exercise used to bring harmony and balance to the body. So we're going to work with the energies of the Yin and the Yang. So to begin, I'm going to invite you to take your left hand and imagine that you're grabbing the sun, pulling it out of the sky. With the right hand, you're going to grab the moon, pull that out of the sky. So the sun that you have in your left hand represents yang energy, the masculine energies, the energies that allow us to manifest and move forward in our life. The yin, the moon in your right hand, is the energies that allow us to rest, to find nourishment and nourishing in our life. So we're going to use these energies and bring them into a nice harmonic balance. So let's begin by giving them a little shake here. So we're just going to get some resonance going in the hands, just to get some chi flowing. Chi is just life force energy. So we'll slowly stop that shaking after a few moments and then bring your hands so they face each other right in front of your heart. And now as if you're going to reach out to grab someone's hand, you're going to rotate them. This is going to start to create a blending action. This is our energetic blender here. We're just blending this chi, the yin and the yang, and finding that nice balance. And just focus on your breath and your hands. Now the breath should be in and out through the nose. Place your tongue behind the upper front teeth. Close your mouth. Take long, slow, deep breaths in and out through the nose as you just focus on your hands. Nothing else to do, but just focus as you circle them around. And we'll just do this for a few more rotations. And then I'm going to invite you to slow it down, and reverse. So pull it back towards your body. So creating this rotation, blending this chi, focusing on your hands as you make it more and more solid with each rotation. And then begin to slow that down. And then take a moment, once you find that place of pause, no rush. Taking a breath in like an accordion, expand it out, press it back together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. Really starting to feel the energy that's between your hands. And then take that blended energy and place it at the navel. It's called the danchen. It's your lower energy reservoir. And we're just going to store that. We've built up this beautiful chi. Now we want to use it for later. So just take a few breaths here as you let it settle. And I invite you to use this exercise whenever you feel like you could use a little more balance in your life. So have a great day. Thank you. Take care.